Hey, photography enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of entry-level DSLRs with an in-depth look at the Canon EOS 2000D. Whether you're just starting out in photography or looking to upgrade from a basic point-and-shoot, this camera might just be the perfect fit for you. So stick around as we explore all the features that make this camera a fantastic choice for beginners. First things first, let's talk about the design. The Canon EOS 2000D sports a compact and lightweight body, making it incredibly easy to handle, even for those new to the DSLR world. The ergonomic grip feels just right in your hands, providing a comfortable shooting experience for extended periods. It comes with an 18 to 55mm kit lens, which is versatile enough to cover a range of shooting scenarios. From landscapes to portraits, this lens will have you covered as you start your photography journey. One of the key features of the Canon EOS 2000D is its intuitive interface. The 3-inch LCD screen is bright and clear, making it easy to navigate through the settings. The menu is straightforward, allowing you to quickly adjust your settings without feeling overwhelmed. Speaking of settings, this camera offers an impressive 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, delivering sharp and vibrant images. Even in low light conditions, the camera performs admirably thanks to its ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable up to 12,800. Another feature worth mentioning is the 9-point autofocus system. While it might not be as advanced as higher-end models, it's more than sufficient for everyday photography. The autofocus is quick and accurate, ensuring you never miss a shot. For those of you who love sharing your work instantly, the Canon EOS 2000D has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity. This allows you to transfer your photos directly to your smartphone, so you can post your stunning shots on social media in no time. But it's not just about photos. The Canon EOS 2000D also shoots Full HD 1080p video, perfect for capturing those special moments in life. Whether you're recording family gatherings, travel vlogs, or your first short film, this camera has you covered. And let's not forget the variety of shooting modes available. From portrait to landscape, sports to close-up, the Canon EOS 2000D makes it easy to get the best results for any situation. The Creative Auto mode is particularly useful for beginners, offering guided adjustments to help you learn the ropes. What truly makes this camera stand out is its versatility. Whether you're capturing the smiles of your loved ones at a family picnic, the vibrant colors of a nature walk, or the joyful moments of an indoor birthday party, the Canon EOS 2000D delivers consistently high-quality results. To recap, the Canon EOS 2000D offers a 24.1 megapixel sensor, 9-point autofocus, built-in Wi-Fi, Full HD video, and an intuitive interface, all packed into a compact and user-friendly design. It's a fantastic option for anyone looking to step up their photography game without breaking the bank. So, if you're in the market for an entry-level DSLR that's easy to use, yet powerful enough to grow with you as you develop your skills, the Canon EOS 2000D might just be the camera you've been looking for. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and photography tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy shooting!